Hey y'all guys, how are you going? I'm back after a long break. Yeah, I messed up a little bit with the finals coming up, which eventually got postponed. Let's not talk about this. I have got something amazing for you. We are here to discuss about the spring-loaded Apple event in just under 10 minutes, and here we go. Apple made some exciting big announcement in the spring event, like the M1 iPad Pro, thinner, sleeker iMac, and the most affordable Apple gadget, Airtags, and also added a new color to its iPhone level lineup, the purple one. Yes, Apple made its iPad Pro a real pro by adding this M1 chip to the iPad. You might have already seen this advert from Apple. You can see Apple CEO Tim Cook stealing the MacBook's M1 and embedding it into iPad Pro. Yeah, it's now more powerful. It makes iPad Pro one of its kind. As now that iPad Pro has got the power of M1, it has limitless possibilities. Some even you can't think of. The M1 has a 8-core GPU and 8-core CPU and become a beast, and you can unleash its power. Not only the processor but also the display screen has now got a 12-inch XDR liquid retina display, and the low variant has 11-inch display which is just immersive. As we name it iPad Pro, we have also got the Pro cameras as features like wide, ultra wide, and LiDAR sensor to give the shallow depth effect to your photos on rear. But also on the front, we have got 12MP with Face ID and the center stage technology, which helps people to recognize the people in frame and keep them in center screen even if you move away. Quite exciting, right? Not only these, but the iPad Pro comes loaded with Thunderbolt port, Wi-Fi 6, Dolby Atmos surround speakers, and 5 studio quality microphones. Get all these in just one device, the iPad Pro, starting at 71,990 and 799 USD. The all new iMac. If you're an Apple fan, you can just notice the evolution of iMac now. It's just got slimmer and more lighter and also sharper. The all new iMac now boasts a M1 chip and is now also available in 7 different colors, like the rainbow ones. You can also see the 7 different colors on the screen right now. Apple has gone creative, adding all the colors in the different shades. Like, there's on chin, it's got a light color, on the back, it's got a dark color. That's all Apple make its all combination. Even though also you can observe that the bezels are still wide, and the long head chin, like the chin gives a little weird look, but it's still okay. It's Apple, right? Everyone loves Apple. The all new iMac has now got 24.5-inch Retina display. It's just 18.1 inch tall and 21.5 inch wide, and also an 1080p HD webcam so that you don't miss on your classes and meetings. And Apple, the most important thing, Apple didn't miss out a 3.5mm jack. It placed it cleverly on the side and perfectly. In addition to these features, it has also got the Wi-Fi 6, only M1 chip, Thunderbolt, USB 4, USB 3 ports. You also got the Magic Mouse and Magic Keyboard. The all-new iMac keyboard boasts a Touch ID on the right top corner. That's the most thing you ever needed, I suppose. This ecosystem is becoming more powerful of Apple devices for the future. What do you expect from next from M1 in iPhone? Do you expect it in iPhone? Comment down below and let me know. And anyways, the M1 iMac starts at the following prices at your respective places. Coming to the most affordable Apple gadget one can get, the AirTags, all new AirTags. It has got precision finding technology so that you can just stick it on your important things and just move around and just forget about it, and no worries, you got covered. But how does this thing work? It's simple. The Apple AirTag is always on and sends Bluetooth signals to nearby iPhones. These signals received by iPhones are uploaded to iCloud, and boom, the location of your AirTag is updated to your iPhone. The AirTags have got a long lasting battery, better than its competitors. They are water resistant and also highly customizable to make it fully yours. And they start at the following prices. I think the most affordable price. Yes, This is the new color added to the iPhone 12 lineup. It's listed at the same price with other colors at no extra cost. That's all we got, folks. That's all we got. Under 10 minutes, I suppose. I don't even think we crossed 7 minutes. Under 5 minutes, I suppose. This was the spring event of the Apple. Many big events and many big announcements coming out soon. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech.